Avax is one of the biggest coins in the whole crypto space, and Avax is about to see a massive explosion to higher prices. In this video I will talk about Avax and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. Avax is right now on place 11 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $18 billion. And after the last all-time high we saw this bearish move to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone where we started this bullish explosion in 2021. And after this longer consolidation, we then started to move to the upside, came into this supply zone, because this supply zone was technically strong because we saw this move to lower levels we made in lower low. But then we moved to the upside, closed over this supply zone, and then the bullish trend continued to the upside. We then came again into this supply zone, retested it with this wick, and then we continued this bullish move to higher prices. So Avax is right now in a very bullish structure, as you can see, with higher lows and higher highs. And I think the chances high that you could see even higher price in the near future. Because after we retested this supply zone, we saw this move to the newest high right here, we made a higher high. And right now we are coming back into this demand zone where we started this bullish move. And now the chances high after this daily candle right here, this daily bullish candle, that we continue the bullish trend to the upside and see even higher prices. And also if you're using the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to the swing high, you can see that we perfectly reacted at a 0.5 retracement level right here at $46. And now the chances high that we can continue the bullish trend. But also if we see even lower prices, we could react at the 0.618 Fibonacci, which is at this order block right here. And also if we don't find support right here, the next really interesting area is the 0.786 Fibonacci. And it is also at the bottom of this demand zone right here. So I think still if we see lower prices that we will find support right here at this or this Fibonacci retracement level. But as I said, I think the chance is also high that we could see a bullish explosion just from these prices. And if we now continue to move to the upside and break this last high, then the next really interesting area is this high right here at $103. But if we also have a look at the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we perfectly reacted at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And if we now see a move to the upside and break this level to the upside, then I think the next really interesting price target is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at $77. And if we are also breaking this one to the upside, the next one is this Fibonacci level. And just from the price right now to the first level, we would have a potential of 60%. If we would reach the last high right here, we would have a potential of 112%. Also would reach the all-time high at the top of the bull run, we would have potential over 200%. And the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high, and I think Avax has the potential. And I think a realistic price target for the bull run is the 1.618 Fibonacci at $232. And from the price right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 400%. Of course, guys, it's just the orientation from the prices right now. But especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that you could see even higher prices in the whole crypto market. And if just a small percentage flows into Avax, the chance is really high that you could see prices like this. And if you want to get into a potential long trade, I think this area is already a great chance, because we came into this demand zone, then pushed to the upside and made this order flow shift. So we broke this last high to the upside. And I think right now the chance is really high that you could see even higher prices. But if we would see a move to even lower prices, then I would have a look at this area right here at $42 to $40. And if we then find a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I think it's a great potential area for a potential long trade. And if we would see an even lower retracement, I would look at the bottom of this demand zone. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Avax, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Avax is a great project with a very high potential. And we are right now in this bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs. And I think the chance is really high that you could see even higher prices just from this price area right here at this retest of this demand zone. And especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, I think the chance is high that you could see a bullish explosion in the near future for Avax. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.